Okay, so back to how much this costs. There's probably $50 in parts there, $50, $55 for the potting soil. So I'm going to get all the potting soil done, all the stuff done here. I've got sprinklers that I can rob off of the different things, and then I've got some parts that I can put back on the things, and then I've got all kinds of parts and everything to decide how to rearrange all this stuff in here. See this? Here's a bubbler that's going to nowhere. There might have been a plant here once upon a time, but it's not there anymore, right? So what are we going to do with that? We can chop that off, put a plug, okay? Or because it's, see how loose that is? I could pull that out, put the plug right there, and then I'll just have to go and look at each one in this area. Initially, the friend of mine, she wanted me to look in her backyard, and her main focus was she wanted to make sure there was enough water for her roses. She thought there wasn't, the roses weren't getting watered properly. She wanted water here for a garden. She had a water pipe here, but she wanted one there. See this one here, which is sitting here like this. I'll have to decide how to do that. Okay. And then maybe a couple knick-knack paddywhacks, whatever, over here. Take a look at some certain things over there that are broken, that are spraying, and maybe do some fixing. I'm not going to go around and fix every single little thing and find every single little thing that needs to be done on this drip irrigation system. I'm going to spend the next day and a half, 2 days, getting her happy in this main area and a couple different other areas, and she'll have all kinds of parts left for all kinds of repairs later on down the road. Okay, so it's not really going to cost you that much. It's going to cost you more to have somebody come out here and look at the job and spend a couple hours out here. You know, one guy may charge $75 an hour, 2 hours, $150. You could have bought all the parts and all your soil to do the things that I'm talking about for less than $150 if you just knew how to do it yourself, right? Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos, and every time you watch one of my videos, I'm hoping you're going to learn more on how to save more around the house.